Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your comment history on YouTube using your computer, desktop, or even your iMac or laptop. So first, open your browser, then go to youtube.com, and then make sure that your account is logged into it. After that, you can see on the left side of your screen, there is a history option. Then you just want to click on that, and then here you can see on the right side there's a manage all history, and you can choose watch and search history, comments, or live chat. So you want to click on comments, and then here you will see all of your history comments. So if you have one, you can see it right here. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.